Life is a series of moments. We often dwell on the past or worry about the future. This takes us away from the present. Being present is crucial for a fulfilling life. When we are mindful, we experience each moment fully. Mindfulness is paying attention to the present moment. It is about observing our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Mindfulness is a skill we can develop through practice. It helps us become more aware of ourselves and our surroundings. Key principles of mindfulness include paying attention on purpose, focusing on the present moment, and accepting thoughts and feelings without judgment. There are many simple exercises to cultivate mindfulness. One is focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Another exercise is to engage your senses. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures around you. Body scan meditation is another powerful technique. Bring awareness to each part of your body, starting from your toes to the top of your head. Notice any sensations without judgment. Section 4. Navigating challenges with mindfulness. Life is full of challenges. Mindfulness helps us face difficulties with more awareness and resilience. When facing a difficult situation, take a few deep breaths. Acknowledge your thoughts and feelings without letting them overwhelm you. Remember that this too shall pass. Mindfulness teaches us that everything is temporary, even difficult emotions. By observing our experiences with acceptance, we can navigate challenges with more grace and ease. Section 5. Mindfulness in daily life. You can practice mindfulness in everyday activities. When you eat, pay attention to the taste and texture of each bite. When you walk, notice the sensation of your feet on the ground. When you listen to music, immerse yourself in the melody and rhythm. By bringing mindfulness to ordinary tasks, we can transform them into opportunities for presence and awareness. This helps us appreciate the little things in life and find joy in the present moment. Section 6. Embrace the power of now. Mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself as you cultivate this practice. The benefits of mindfulness are numerous. It can reduce stress, improve focus, enhance emotional regulation, and promote overall well-being. Start practicing mindfulness today and experience the transformative power of being present. Remember, the present moment is all we have. Let's make it count.